What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and yes, I am back with another lock tutorial for you guys. I'll be styling my baby boy's hair today. It's been 3 months since his last retwist, so we gotta get him right. To save some time, I did wash and dry his hair off camera because we were in a rush this day. So his hair is completely dry, and I'm going to start parting his hair using my favorite comb that I found at my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to start retwisting his hair. Of course, I'm using my Loc N Gel. If you haven't noticed by now, it is my favorite retwisting gel to use. I use it in damn near all my tutorials, and I'm not even over exaggerating, but I'm going to use this to create the first row for the first flat twist. We will be doing braids and flat twists in my son's hair today. Yes, we're getting super fancy. I'm sorry I didn't mention it in the beginning of the video. Pardon my manners, but we're going to start the first flat twist. So you want to start off by taking the second one and wrapping it over the first one. Then you want to twist it around a couple of times and then secure it in your hand. And again, you want to take a lock, unravel it, retwist it in the direction that you need it to be, pull it over that secure lock and wrap it around it a couple of times. Then you also want to secure it with the rest of the locks and do the exact same thing. Alright, we're still working on this flat twist. Again, you want to take a lock, unravel it, retwist it, pull it over, twist it around the secure locks twice, and boom. You want to keep repeating these steps over and over and over again until you reach your end point. Now that I am done with this flat twist, I am going to secure it with a rubber band because you do not want it to unravel. Now it's time to start on the next part, which is the braid. So I am going to split his hair in half and start off by retwisting a small portion first. Then I'm going to start the braid. Alright, so now that I am finished with this retwist, it is time to start the braid. Now you want to start off by taking 2 locks, create an X, and begin to create a twist, just like you see on the screen. Then you want to add the middle lock to the party. Again, you want to take a lock, unravel it, pull it over and under, and secure it. Boom. Again, repeat those steps. Take a lock, unravel it, pull it over and under, and over again, secure it, boom. And again, take a lock, unravel it, pull it over and under, and I guess over again, and secure it, boom. And that is all, folks. And if for some reason this video was too hard for you to follow, not to worry, I do have other braid tutorials available on my YouTube channel. All you have to do is click the link below and it will direct you to a more detailed video. Y'all know I got you, you know it, but you want to keep repeating these steps over and over and over again until you reach your end point. Now that we are finished with this braid, we're going to secure it with a rubber band and work on the other side. But really quickly, I wanted to share with you guys that I am now taking clients. Yes, you guys, I am now booking clients for lock appointments. Yes, I finally found the courage to do it. So many of you have been asking about booking appointments, and I've just been thinking about it. And you know what? I would love to sharpen my skills and really take this serious because I really do enjoy doing locks. It's a chance for me to free my mind and just get into my zone. I don't know, I just find it to be very relaxing, and so I just want to learn more and really take this serious. So if anyone is interested in being my little guinea pig, go ahead and leave a comment below. I am located in the Atlanta, Georgia area. But back to the tutorial. So now I'm going to continue styling and retwisting this last portion of hair, and I will be right back. Alright, so we've made it to the end of this flat twist / braid tutorial. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys love the way it turned out, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help out our channel. But that's it for us. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.